Hey guitar friends, it's Matt, and I'm going to show you how to find or name any note on the guitar fretboard, and you just need to know two little things. First, we need to know the note names of the open strings, and then we need to know the pattern of steps between the notes. And all we need to remember is E and F and B and C are the only ones that are beside each other, and all the others have a fret in between. And the in-between notes are named either after the one above or the one below, so this could either be called A sharp or B flat. The idea is to count along any string until you find the note that you're looking for. Or you can start at the 12th fret and count from there because it's the same letters an octave higher than the open string.